Watching my students here at Hemlock Elementary go to their specials classes like gym, music, art, and STEAM, and seeing that excitement and passion in their eyes is so special. I have students in STEAM class who are coding and they're 5 years old.
We incorporate new daily activities, different things, whether it's art, STEM, building with wooden blocks, reading new stories. Honestly, being around the children, they make working here so easy. I love coming to work every day and spending time with the children and watching them learn and grow and develop.
There is a great sense of community between all the kids, all the teachers. Everybody's willing to help everybody. Little itty bitty babies going all the way through this school specifically up until like kindergarten. It's super fun. I've heard a lot of the teachers say like, oh, I have their siblings, or oh, I had them when they were little itty bitty babies in diapers, and that's always super fun. I think it's very sweet that the same people that start with them in infancy will take them all the way through. It's really just a great sense of community.
Our school social worker, she is great with social emotional learning. She actually pops into the classrooms at least once a month, if not more, to do lessons with the kids. Those lessons are on things like being respectful, being caring, being kind, being a good student, making good choices, and a really big one, how to be a friend. We have the best friends here at Hemlock Elementary.
So as a parent, with my kids going here as well, the class sizes are on the smaller side, not super big, so I feel like they get that one-on-one time with their teachers.
I want my kids to have every opportunity to pursue and achieve the goals that they set for themselves, and Hemlock Elementary School is giving them the foundation they need to achieve that. I feel lucky that my kids go to a school where they feel safe and secure. They're excited to go to school every single day, and I have the peace of mind of knowing that they're getting the best possible education. They come home and they tell me about how loved and valued they feel every single day by teachers and staff.
Small town, big opportunities. Hemlock Public School District.